Hi guys, happy new year. Yes, I know it's March already and I'm coming out to tell you guys happy new year, but you guys, it can never be late. You get, it's better late than never. I know I've left this channel for like 3 months, or I think the last time I put up a video on this channel was on the 9th of December, and I've not been around on the channel, but I have been around, but maybe not on a long form video, because I've actually been putting out short form videos, but not sitting down like this to do a video or a vlog. It's just been, you know, some kind of thing. And you guys, you know one thing about YouTube: if you leave YouTube one day, YouTube is going to leave you for 1 month. But I know that with God all things are possible. So my coming back, I just hand it over to God, and I believe that you guys will give me all the support needed for us to start from where we stopped. Please, I am begging you guys, because I think one of the reasons that actually made me to leave YouTube in the first place was the fact that I was putting out content and they were not doing well. And you know, the numbers can really be discouraging. You get, when you put out videos, you put a lot of work, you vlog this video, you edit it, you know, upload it, and people are not watching. You just sit back and you be like, so what's the reason of doing it? Why was I even wasting my time in the first place? Or why am I even wasting my time in the first place? So I got to a point that I just felt like, okay, let me just take a step back, relax. While I was relaxing, I actually had a new baby. You guys, calm down. We will talk about that. But before we talk about that, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Vicky. For those of you who are seeing me for the very first time, I make videos from Lagos, Nigeria. Click on the red subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your bell notification so that YouTube will always inform you whenever I post a new video. While I was away, I've had a lot of tons of messages from people watching my old videos. Some of them saying thank you for what I did. Oh, they love my channel. Oh, thank you so much for this video. Thank you. Please, the only way you can always tell me thank you is to like the videos. Apart from the comments you're dropping, also like the videos. I really would appreciate if my videos are being liked as much as they are being watched. I love you guys. Please, and also leave a comment. It's going to help the channel to get to the permanent side. So before we just talk about the new baby that I had, you know, while I was away throughout this period, I actually started a new project, which is the baby. You guys should calm down. Haba, isn't in this economy somebody will have a baby human being? Anyway, I wasn't talking about a baby human being. I was talking about a project I embarked on. You know, when this year started, we all started with this slogan of no grief for anybody. If you're a Nigerian, you get. So me, this year as I started, I'm like, I no grief for anybody. I'm going to put my hands into anything. I'm going to do anything legal that will make me money. Like, I just decided that I'm going to do any and everything that is legal and that will fetch me money, because your girl was just tired of being broke. Your girl is tired of just being just there. You get. But I just wanted to have different streams of income, or another streams of income. So I started a project which I'll be showing you guys, because I bring market vlogs to you guys here. I advertise people's businesses on my channel for absolutely free, and I've not had the time, or I've not really, you know, sat down to be like, okay, let me bring it to the channel to show you guys. 2 days ago, I went to the market, and then I met one of the, you know, the business owners I showed you guys on my channel, who has really been doing well. You know, you guys have been patronizing them. A lot of them have been calling me and still thanking me. My market vlogs videos, you get. So when she saw me, and then when I showed her what I was doing, she was like, have not seen it on your channel? I said, my sister, I've not taken it to the channel. She was, nah, take it to the channel. Now, you don't know what your videos have been doing to other people, how your videos have been helping other people's business. So this one is your business. Why not show it to your audience? And then it just clicked. I'm like, it's true. And I have a YouTube channel that every blessed day I still get, you know, messages or comments from people thanking me for a certain video that I made, you get. And I'm like, okay, let me bring my business to you guys, just the way you guys have been welcoming other people's business. So this is me now officially wanting to introduce you guys to my new business. I'm begging for your patronage and referrals. Drum roll! You guys, your girl is into cleaning products. I am into cleaning products. You know, in the beginning of the year, I had to, you know, pay to learn how to make these things. This is a dish washing. Okay, let me start them one at a time, because I also have a bleach here. So let me start from my dish washing products. We actually have this dish washing products. We are also working on, you know, registering with both NAFDAC and the rest of the Gbogbo that has to be registered. You get. We have liquid wash for plates. We also have toilet wash. Like, these products are 100% effective. Like, this toilet wash is super effective. So for those of you who would love to, you know, patronize the business, or would love to just support, you can buy and share. You can buy for your loved ones. Some people will be like, I'm not in Nigeria. Oh, I would have loved to buy. You can buy and send to your loved ones. We deliver anywhere you are in Nigeria. We package it, we produce it with love, package it with love, and we send it out with love. So this dishwashing liquid, every drop gives a rich lather, and I am not even capping. It is super foamy and thick, you understand. It is super foamy, and the fragrance is out of this world. It's really nice. And also our toilet wash is very effective. Just leave it for 15 minutes and you are good to go. Your toilet will be as sparkling as ever. We put our mind into the production. This is not a third-party production or something. I produced it personally, like trying to create a brand for myself, my family. You get, the name of the business is JOSTsparkles. JOSTsparkles. So this is it. It's on Instagram. If you just type JOSTsparkles on Instagram, just follow our business page. And also another thing I want to do, we also have this bleach which will turn your whites to anything that is more than white. Like when you add a little of this bleach, it turns your white to anything that is more than white. So right now we have these two, and also this one. And also our dishwashing liquid comes in two different colors. It has the blue and it has this particular yellow color to it. So it depends on your color choice, and they also come with different fragrance, you understand. So it smells really super nice. And the catchy part of this whole business is that we can customize it. Like for instance, now we have this bottle in 300 ml, 500 ml that you can buy. We customize these stickers to suit your event, whatever event you're having, whatever kind of events you want to have, a wedding, a burial ceremony, coronation, graduation, naming, dedication, name it, any event that demands for you to give your guests souvenirs. This is an absolute favorite souvenir because we customize these stickers, putting the face or whatever you want us to write here. You can also buy for your church for them to give it out to first timers, people who come as first timers in your church. We just brand the sticker to suit your church. I don't know if whatever I'm explaining is really making sense to you guys. You can brand both this toilet wash. It doesn't have to be our sticker like this. We can brand it to be like, oh, for instance, is Juliet weds Emeka. We can put Juliet weds Emeka and their wedding, maybe photo shoot, the pictures they did for photo shoot, the date of the event, just some details like that. Normal how you customize normal souvenirs. Instead of going to buy plastics and hand towels, you can give your guests valuable gifts like this that they will appreciate you. They'll be seeing it, and when they are using it, they'll still be appreciating you. You can give the first timers in your church this, and when they are using it, they will be like, oh, thank God I went to that church. It's valuable, not just every time mineral. So they are super affordable. This is 1 liter, and this toilet wash is 500 ml. It comes in different sizes. So if you want it in 4 liters, like you want a big jar of it in 4 liters, please do well to go to JOSTsparkles on Instagram and send me a DM. You get, or I'll be putting my number on the screen for you guys to call and let's talk business. Like I said, this can be done in 300 ml, 500 ml, and also 1 liter for the odogos. If you want to do your weddings, any kind of ceremonies you have, burials, or whatever occasion you have, we can brand this item. Whether it is bleach you want, we can brand it to suit your event. So this is me just advertising my own products to you guys. Please guys, come through for me. You can order for personal use. We will send it to you, whether 4 liters you want, 5 liters, 10 liters, your personal use, we can send it to you. We have our 4 liters, we have our, if you want it in 10 liters, the prices are super affordable, not like the other brands, the bigger brands you get. Sometimes when smaller brands like this come out, they are kind of more affordable and very effective. So this brand is super, like I put my all in it, you get, in creating it, in trying to market it. We've been trying to go get into the market, trying our best to do it as much as we can. So I'm bringing it here like I bring other people's business to you guys, to ask you guys to please patronize me. JOSTsparkles toilet wash, very effective. You guys know my channel already. If it's not effective, you come back and tell me, give me the feedback. You get, our liquid wash is also very effective. We also have car wash. We also do liquid. You can use it to wash your clothes. So anything that has to do with cleaning products, whether for personal use, whether for as souvenir, or you just want to give it out as a gift, we are here for you. Please patronize the business. Please, I'm begging you, please. When you guys support other businesses that I bring, you come, you watch, you buy, you support them, you patronize them. This is our own, our community own. This is community own. It's so close to my heart. Please, I beg you guys, patronize the business. we can deliver. Whether you want 300 pieces for your event, whether you want 500 pieces for your event, you want 1,000 pieces, 2,000 pieces, 5,000 pieces for that event to share to people, or you just want to buy and resell because we are entering the market. You want to buy, instead of buying the other bigger brands which are more expensive, you just want to buy this brand to resell. Please holler at us. The number will be rolling on the screen. This is my own, so my number will be on the screen. This is a must. Like, I'm giving you my word, just like I give you my word in every other business that I bring on here to show you guys. Please, I need your support. I beg you, support the hustle, support the brand. You can buy for personal use, stock up your monthly supplies, your monthly cleaning product supplies. You get stock up. We are here. Hold on, let us be your pro. Please, this is the yellow one. Like I said, we have two. This is the blue one. Please, I am begging you. I am begging you. The money is not big. Okay, like I always tell other people, this one is sold for the wholesale price of this one is 1,200 naira, and the retail price I sell it for 1,300 naira if you're buying it just for use, and it's super effective. And this one, the wholesale price is 1,000 naira and the retail price is 1,200 naira. Please, I beg you, patronize me. I beg you. Your girl is back like a banger. Thank you so very much, guys, for watching. I hope to see your calls, to receive your messages. If you want to buy it for sale, we are available. Please, we also supply to your stores, to your businesses, those people who are selling provisions, who want to buy it and put in their shop for sale. Please, we are available. We are looking at supplying it to supermarkets, supplying it to supermarkets, superstores, like any place that people sell this kind of things. We are looking at supplying it. We've supplied several supermarkets, you get, and right now we are still looking for more supermarkets in case you have the linkage, in case you have people that will want to, you know, give us the link on how to supply to other supermarkets. You get, if you have a store you want to buy, we can deliver it. We will bring it to you. Whether anywhere you are in Nigeria, we deliver it, even as a souvenir or as a selling product or as wholesale price or whatever, or you just want to buy for personal use, we deliver anywhere in Nigeria. All these products we deliver anywhere in Nigeria. Our bleach is one in town. Our bleach is sold for wholesale price is sold for 850 naira, then retail price is 950 naira. It is super effective. Thank you so very much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate you guys, and I am hoping to start getting your calls and messages in regards to this business. Thank you so much. I appreciate you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.